I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by backing up current network settings and noting your VPN account details. Disconnect any active VPN and disable temporary firewall rules if you set them. Decide whether you will replace or add a new VPN profile. Gather the new provider credentials, server addresses, protocol preferences, and pre-shared keys. Check the operating system version and download the compatible VPN client installer file. Ensure you have administrative rights and note proxy or split tunnel requirements for later. If using OpenVPN or WireGuard, also collect avpin or conf files and private keys. Run the VPN installer and follow prompts to install with administrative permission. Create a new profile and enter the provider server address, port, and protocol. Paste credentials, certificate fingerprints, or pre-shared keys exactly as provided by the vendor. For manual setup, use system network settings and choose ICAV2, OpenVPN, or WireGuard accordingly. Enable kill switch, DNS leak protection, and split tunneling as your security needs require. Save the profile and test, reconnect before removing the old configuration. Document the configuration, export settings, and keep backups in encrypted storage for recovery. After connecting, verify your external IP and geolocation to confirm the VPN server location. Run DNS leak tests, WebRTC checks, and trace routes to ensure traffic routes through the tunnel. If speeds drop, switch protocols temporarily and test latency and throughput using speed tests. Resolve authentication errors by re-entering credentials, checking certificate validity, and syncing system time. Re-enable firewalls and add exceptions for the VPN client using exact executable paths. If problems persist, contact provider support, supply logs, timestamps, and the failing server address.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.